What's up guys, it's English Dan, back with another video. What have we got today? Well, I didn't think I'd better show you this because it's not mine, alright? I said I wasn't buying one, and I haven't bought one technically. It's the wife's, okay? So don't be all going, oh, see, I told you so. Because you didn't tell me nothing, alright? I told you I am not buying an iPhone 12 Pro, let alone a gold one. Here we go. Let's see what it is. As you can see, it's the new slimline box because, you know, you get nothing in it apart from a phone and a cable. Nothing exciting. Just a weird pattern on the front. I don't understand why this is like this. It doesn't look very good, I don't think. But anyway, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, there's nothing there at all. So, that's an amazing unboxing. There's the phone. Anyway, let's pull that to one side. I'm going to explain. A lot of people love this colour. I'm not one of them, but I'll get onto it in a minute. You also get your designed by Apple in California. You get one sticker, so you're getting jibbed on the stickers as well. You don't get two. But hey, you get a Sim Ejector Tool. What's that about? It's the first iPhone I've seen with a Sim Ejector Tool. So yeah, no more paper clips needed. Saving the environment, you see. Anyway, I bet that took courage. And then you get your USB-C to lightning cable. Now, there's no cable in the box. And if I remember rightly, all the cables that came previously with the charging block, they were USB-A. But Apple decided you don't need another charging block because we all have millions of them. But if you've only been in the iPhone ecosystem, you've only got a USB-A, and this isn't plugging it into anything you want it to. So better pony up some more money. And could do some really good charging blocks, things like that. Lower price and probably better quality than Apple's. So yeah. Alright, so that's the box. Let's move this out of the way. We're going to take the plastic off, which is going to annoy my wife because she doesn't get to do it. It's not even a make noise. It doesn't even. How disappointing. Doesn't even. Anyway. And that's it. That is literally all you get. And then you get the iPhone, which, don't get me wrong, I think it looks great with these square edges. I really do. But one thing I don't like about this colour, let's see if we can get this to focus in here. I hate the way they have put the gold around the rings on the camera. I just think it looks so cheap. And this yellow gold band around here, with it being shiny, with it being stainless steel or whatever it is. The regular 12 has a matte aluminum band going around it. This is a shiny stainless steel, and it just, people are going to hate me when I say this, it looks cheap. I honestly think this looks like an iPhone that I bought from wish.com because I wanted it to look like an iPhone, and it's come with this horrible yellow gold band and these very over the top yellow. I mean, if they weren't there, it probably wouldn't be so bad, but to have them gold rings around the lenses, I don't really get with that. But a lot of people seem to like it, and I'm in the minority. But hey, you know, it's just the way it is. Let's power this thing on, see what happens, see if there's any juice. Yep, there is some juice. The screen is slightly improved over the iPhone 11 Pro. Slightly bigger, I believe. Cases that fit this will also fit the regular iPhone 12, so you know, if you can buy cases for either or, and it's going to be just fine. We do have charge. Hola. Yeah. Hello. Anyway, so I'm not going to set it up. Everyone knows what an iPhone looks like when it's set up, but as you can see, it's got the same notch. They've not even attempted to make that any slimmer. The same bezel all the way around, which does look a lot better now because of the square edges. Typical iPhone fare, really. If you're wondering what this is on the side, that's your 5G antenna. This is your power button, and on and off, screen on and off. Nice clicky buttons. Then obviously you've got your alert slider, silent mode on, silent mode off, and then you got your volume up, your volume down. Buttons are very, very nice. There's nothing loose in there, or they don't jiggle around or anything like that. But yeah, that is the iPhone 11 Pro. 2 speakers, which is very un-Apple. Let me just point this out now. I don't know whether that's focused in, but you've got 5 holes here and 3 holes here. It's not symmetrical. Everything about Apple used to be all about symmetrical. Like the holes do line up dead with the center of the USB-C, but now we've got 3 and 5 instead of 4 and 4. Just odd to see Apple doing something like that. There's the SIM card tray down here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 antenna bands, 5 antenna bands on this device as well. And don't get me wrong, it feels nice, and I think the blue might look a little better, but this rail, stainless steel rail, for me is extremely slippery. I like the back colour. It reminds me of the iPhone 8 Plus. It's quite nice, that, like the champagne gold. But this, for me, this is just too yellow. They should have gone with the rose gold again, in my opinion. But obviously, I'm in a minority, like I say. Most of you are going to hate me for saying this is actually the worst colour iPhone I have ever seen. But yes, you can. Did you hear the wife? Even the wife's telling me to shut up. But yeah, this is the worst iPhone I've ever seen colour-wise, and I don't like it one little bit, but luckily it's not me who has to use it, it's the wife. Yeah, anyway guys, that's English Dan. I gave you an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. I wasn't very polite about it, and if you don't like it, unlucky. Laters.